Travel with Eva here with Jordan Travel Enterprise, and I am in New York for a service, and this is Shakira,
Hello, everyone.
and we came for the service. She has one bag, and I have two. So I had to say to her, Shakira, you just came with one bag? And so I just had to introduce you to Shakira and have her explain about packing light. Because as you know, packing light has been a challenge for me. I'm doing better. You see, I came for a few more days than she did. I have two bags with just one bag.
I think that you only need to pack your favorite pieces. You need to be very honest with yourself and only pack what you know you are going to wear. For the weekend in my bag, I only have 2 pairs of jeans and 4 shirts. You can dress in layers. And I only have a pair of boots and a pair of slippers that I brought with me. And if we can really stick to that one tip, your favorite pieces. You don't need to bring all that extra stuff. Just stick to the things that you know you're going to wear. And you can dress in layers. You can bring a dressy top. You can bring one casual shirt and maybe an extra shirt or sweater. Dress in layers. Maybe bring a scarf. And then you bring one small dress. And like I said, maybe a cardigan. And that would be it.
And these are some great tips. And think about this, look at the size of this bag. One of the things that I've taught you, if you go back to a past video, roll not fold, and having lighter fabrics that are not bulky will really make a difference. So I really have to congratulate you, Shakira. She came to this service, we're in New York, and she only had one bag and one pair of, she's got on boots, just one boots. And so, and she is looking fabulous. She's looking fabulous for the service, and now she's going to spend some fun time in New York, and she is prepared. So thanks again for joining with me on this short video on packing light, pack smarter, and don't be overwhelmed. I'm Travel with Eva at jordantravelenterprise.com and Travel with Eva. And I'm also available on Pinterest for more packing tips. Bye for now.
Bye.